Good morning. Today is Monday, January 19th, 2026. I'm here at Port 32 Marina, and this is Mental Floss. I'm going to get a special look at the zincs while I'm under here, because I did have a note that they might need to be changed, but in my opinion, they do look like they're still strong. The majority of the metal is still there, so we're just going to go ahead and get a longer look at them just to double check. Choosing DS Dive.